Hi, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Student Area. Today we are going to see about international organization and its headquarters. Please come and join. First one is United Nations Organization. It is in New York. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. It is in Vienna. United Nations Program on HIV/AIDS. It is in Geneva. International Labour Organization. It's in Geneva. Food and Agriculture Organization. It's in Rome. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. It's in Geneva. United Nations Atomic Energy Commission in New York. United Nations Capital Development Fund. It's in New York. United Nations International Drug Control Program in New York. United Nations Children's Education Fund in New York. United Nations Development Program in New York. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization in Paris. United Nations Environment Program in Nairobi. United Nations Frame Convention on Climate Change. It is in Germany. United Nations Industrial Development Organization in Vienna. United Nations High Commission for Human Rights. It is in Geneva. United Nations Human Settlements Program in Nairobi. United Nations Population Fund in New York. United Nations International School in New York. United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction in Geneva. United Nations Postal Administration in New York. United Nations Research Institute for Social Development in Netherlands. World Health Organization in Geneva. Universal Postal Union in Bern. United Nations Training and Research in Geneva. United Nations University, Tokyo. World Intellectual Property Organization in Geneva. World Food Program is in Rome. World Tourism Organization in Madrid. International Rescue Committee in New York. Association of Southeast Asian Nations in Jakarta. European Union in Brussels. Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights in Geneva. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation in Singapore. Commonwealth of Nations in London. Commonwealth of Independent States in Moscow. Economic Committee of West African States in Abuja. European Free Trade Association in Geneva. Gulf Cooperation Council in Riyadh. Indian Ocean Commission in Port Louis. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development in Paris. Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe in Vienna. European Security and Defense Policy in Paris. Economic and Social Commission for the Asia and Pacific in Bangkok. South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation in Guatemala. Organization of American States in Washington. Collective Security Treaty Organization in Moscow. World Bank, it is in Washington. Asian Development Bank in Manila. International Telecommunication Union in Geneva. European Bank for Reconstruction and Development in London. International Monetary Fund in Washington. International Fund for Agriculture Development in Rome. International Parliamentary Union in Geneva. World Customs Organization in Brussels. World Meteorological Organization in Geneva. Transparency International in Berlin. Asian Football Confederation in Kuala Lumpur. European Space Agency in Paris. Indian Space Research Organization in Bangalore. International Telecommunication Satellite Organization in Washington. China National Space Administration in Beijing. Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency in Tokyo. International Union for Conservation of Nature is GLAN. Nuclear Supplies Group in Vienna. World Association of Nuclear Operators in London. International Organization for Migration in Geneva. World Toilet Organization in Singapore. International Court of Justice in The Hague. That's all, friends. If you like this video, please put your valuable comments to me. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Until then, bye bye.